Hey, good morning, good evening, whichever time zone you are in. I'm Colonel Shubhajit Naha, and I'm back with our CISSP mindset question of the day. So I made a tricky question today, and let's see how many of you have the CISSP mindset to correctly, take the answer out from the given question set. Okay, so the question is an APT, Advanced Persistent Threat, has been able to deliver Mimikatz information stealer into the enterprise network of XYZ Corporation. Okay, so Mimikatz, it's an information stealer, credential stealer malware, which has been inserted into the enterprise network of XYZ Corporation. The malware can read and exfiltrate credentials. It can read and exfiltrate credentials by reading the unencrypted password between the time it is read by a process and the time it is encrypted. So generally what happens is a CPU, when it has to use a credential, it will unencrypt a password and then provide it to the process which wants it, right? So you can steal the password in between, right? So what kind of attack is this? Okay, so answer A is option A is information stealing attack, as the malware was made to steal credential. Is this answer right? Of course, it's an information stealing malware and it stole the credentials. The answer is right. Okay. Answer B says time of check, time of use attack. So what is time of check, time of use attack? So in this particular case, the CPU, unencrypts the password, writes it to a memory location, and it's waiting that some other process will come and read it. And after that, it will remove it from there, right? But between the time it is written and between the time it is reading, somebody came and stole the unencrypted password from the memory. Now that's how generally password stealing or info stealing malwares will work, and such kind of attacks are known as time of check, time of use, because by the time I have checked, because the process which wants the password, it must have checked when the information was not available, it's waiting, and the time it has come in to recheck and read, I have stolen the password. So of course this is a time of check and time of use attack also. Is it a covert channel attack? So in covert channel, I'll establish a covert channel through which this information which I've read, I will pass through. So if I am a hacker, I will try to create a VPN, and I will have a VPN server somewhere, and I will establish a small VPN client and try to establish a covert channel and throw this password out. That will be the tactics I will incorporate. But in this particular scenario, that has not been shown, not enacted. It has been shown that it is exfiltrating, but it has not been shown how. So somewhere down the line, I feel it is not a covert channel attack. Right. Is it a covert storage attack? Now, what's a covert storage attack? A covert storage attack is basically, an attack where now I've read the password and now I don't want to, throw it out. I write this password at an undisclosed location, at some memory location or at some location which the operating system or the anti-malware solution or the user is not going to check, which is a very discrete location, maybe a bad sector, where I have written this particular information which I have stolen. Now in this scenario, it has not been shown or projected that after stealing the password or stealing the credentials, it has been stored in some nondescript location or memory channel. So that means this is somewhere down the line, not a covert storage attack. So what is it? Is it a time of check, time of use, or an information stealing attack? So now let's apply the CISSP mindset. Now, most of the CISSP preachers will say, choose the broad answer, which is the manager type answer. Now tell me frankly, this answer option A, information stealing attack, it's already given in the question. Am I a fool to check you for this, right? No, I'm trying to check whether you have the knowledge of time of check and time of use attack. And if you understand that, then you have been able to answer the question. That means from the CISSP mindset, I'm not trying to seek a generic answer. I'm trying to see whether you understand the mechanics of time of check and time of use attack. So this is how we will, develop our CISSP mindset. Be there with me, and try these small fundamentals which will help you in passing the CISSP exam. If you are interested in taking training with me, you can join my batches. I carry out just one batch every month on weekends, and I have a very consistent passing rate. 99 to 100% of my people who have trained with me have passed. Only thing you require is the dedication, the effort which you have to put in, okay, and develop the CISSP mindset. Thanks for the day, and check out our channel, subscribe to it, and we will bring such wonderful questions for you to prepare for the CISSP exam. Take care and bye-bye.